Good morning, guys! I'm having my coffee. Actually, paubos na yung coffee ko. Ima-marinate ko lang yung chicken adobo kasi today is the day. And nasabi ko na sa previous vlog, kagabi na hindi makakarating yung kapatid ni Dan na lalaki at saka yung asawa niya at saka yung mga anak nila. So, ano lang kami ngayon? 4 na adults, tapos isang baby. Yung kasama namin nung pumunta kami sa sa zoo, nung nagpakain kami ng mga kangaroo sa zoo, sila yung pupunta. Sobrang ganda ng kapatid niya, grabe. Nung unang kita ko pa lang sa kanya, sobrang ganda. Sabi ko, ang ganda-ganda mo. Sabi niya, masasanay ka rin. Ang daming kamukha ko dito. Napaka-Italianang ganda. Sa lahat pala nagtatanong, si Dan is half Australian, half Italian. So, yes. Pero dito na siya pinanganak sa Australia. So, yung hindi siya nakakasalita ng Italian. Yung binili namin kagabi is 10 na drumsticks, which is right here, 10. Tapos 10 na chicken wings din. So, ngayon, since hindi na darating yung isang pamilya, yung lulutuin ko lang is 10 all in all. So, maybe 4 wings, tapos 6 na drumsticks. Yummers! Kasi sabi niya, 3 daw yung kakainin ng isang tao. Sabi ko, 3. Over naman. Kasi magluluto pa ako ng talong, diba? Siya nagpili ng lulutuin ko. Sabi niya, magluto ka ng adobo? Magluto ka ng adobo, tapos talong din. Sabi ko, 2 meal ko na yun. Adobo at saka talong. Tapos sabi pa niya, 3 yung kakainin ko. Tapos 3 din yung kakainin ni Tapos 3 din kay So, mga 20 lahat yung lulutuin mo. Sabi ko, 20? Okay ka lang. So, nung tumawag yung kuya niya, tapos sinabi, baka hindi kami makakapunta, ganon. Sabi ko, sana hindi sila makapunta. Ang sama, no? Huy, busy kasi yung niya, yung kapatid niya. So, yeah, ima-marinate ko lang to. Yung recipe nga pala na fina-follow ko is yung panlasang Pinoy chicken adobo recipe. Hi guys, meron lang akong gusto i-share sa inyo. Binili namin to ni Dan kahapon sa grocery. Nalagay ko na siya sa isang toilet. So, ilalagay ko siya sa kabilang toilet. Papakita ko sa inyo yung toilet, no? Hindi ko ipapakita sa inyo. Pero yan, na-amaze lang ako. Ganito yung itsura niya. Magli-leave siya ng disk sa toilet niyo. Nakagamit na ako ng isa, kaya na-move na dito yung isa. Wala kasi ako nakita ganito sa Pilipinas. Kapag pumunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya and sa bahay ng mga kapatid niya, lagi ko napapansin na merong ganito sa mga toilet nila. Sabi ko, bili nga tayo ng ganon kasi napaka-cool ng mga ganon. So, bumili kami kahapon. And, yeah, kanina ko lang nalaman kung paano siya i-apply and ganon. And, I'm not gonna show you guys kasi toilet to pero basta ang cool niya. Wait. Yay! It's there. It's so cute. It's so cute! So, nakagamit na ako ng 2. Isa dito at saka dito na yung button. Tapos, meron pang 1, 2, 3. Meron pang 3. Okay, so 5 disc pala kasama nito. Ganito yung itsura niya. Itong disc nasa toilet bowl. Ganon. Nice. Hi guys, I will be painting my nails. And yes, my nails look yellow because they are yellow. I haven't been using base coat for a long time kasi hindi ako nagdala ng base coat. Kasi yung base coat ko na nasa Philippines pa ako, na siya, konti lang natira, tapos hindi ako nakabili kasi wala na akong time. Pagdating ko dito, hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin ako nakakabili ng base coat. Kasi pag pumupunta ako sa shop, sabi ko sinasabi, bakit ang mahal ng base coat? Kapag more than $5, sabi ko, ang mahal. I received a fabulous gel polish kit from Madam Glam. Na-receive ko to kahapon. It's a gel nails kit at home. And then, they also sent me in a separate package. This, I received long time ago na. So, I have 4 gel nail polishes right here. And then, you guys, isn't this so cute? Ito! Nail polish ring holder. It's so cute! It says Madam Glam right there. Ilalagay mo siya sa iyong fingers. Like so. Tapos ilalagay mo yung nail polish dito. And perfect! This is going to be my very first time doing gel nails. Okay, nandito na yung aking LED lamp. Nakasaksak na siya. And then, we'll see. Try natin. Oh, bongga. Okay, mamaya ko na yan i-on. Mag-a-apply lang ako ng base coat. You guys, I'm not liking it. I'm not liking it. It keeps bleeding outside my nails. And I know how to apply nail polish. Alam nyo naman, ako lagi nag-a-apply ng nail polish ko. Pero this is just so hard to work with. Maybe because it's my first time, but the nail polishes are just Not working for me. They keep bleeding outside my lines. Tapos parang nawawala yung nail polish sa nail bed kasi nagbe-bleed siya outside the nail bed. See? See that? And it's just tsaka and I feel bad kasi they did send this to me para ma-review ko and I don't like it. I just don't. And look at that thumb. Tingnan nyo yung nail polish, nagbe-bleed siya. Super thin layer lang yung nilagay ko pero it keeps bleeding outside. I just can't. I can't deal with it. I need to remove it. Hello! I'm watching Shane Dawson, yung Hope's video niya. I'm gonna pick a nail polish kasi yung gel chorbalong hindi nag-work. Nandito yung mga nail polishes ko. Si Dan nag-display nito. Ayoko siya i-display pero si Dan nag-display niya. Parang ilalagay ko to sa isang parang malaking clear na, you know, vase. Tapos parang maging colorful ang churba. Marami pa akong hindi nagamit eh. So yun muna yung gagamitin ko. Yung mga hindi ko pa nagamit. Like these two, bigay sa akin ni Kathy. Maganda. This one, hindi ko pa nagamit. Bigay to sa akin ni Lorena Scofield. And then, the black one I haven't used yet. The one from Revlon that I got for $1. Ano pa ba yung mga hindi ko nagamit dito? Oh, ito, hindi ko pa ito nagamit. I got this from my BB bag. Ito lang yung mga hindi ko pa nagamit. And I'm gonna choose. Maybe I will... I'm really into Sinful Colors lately. I love Sinful Colors. Na-feature ko nga ito sa favorites video ko. Hindi itong shade na to. Ito. Sobrang ganda nito. Yung Super Shine. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang long-lasting. Kaya ito na lang. Kati maganda. Salamat dito. You guys! I did it! Kathy texted me. Umalis na sila. We had adobo and then eggplant. Tortang talong. Are you going? Okay. Ano siya? Tatakbo siya. Late na eh. Oh, hindi naman late. 7:40. And The Bachelor just started. Actually, yun yung tinext sa akin ni Kat. The Bachelor na daw. Yes, I'm watching. Kaping maganda. Ubos lahat. As in, ubos lahat. Pati yung churros, yung talong, ubos lahat. I have a big pimple right here. I noticed this last night when I took off my makeup. It's a big one as well. Well, it's new. It's not on my nose now, so I'll take that. That's okay. I'm watching Me Before You. A lot of you guys asked me how I found the movie and ish like that. I was actually not able to watch it before on big screen because the internet was just too slow. But for some reason on my lappy, it's working fine. Like hindi siya nag-pause at all so far. So yeah, I'm just starting and I'm gonna watch it and then I will let you guys know what I think about this. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. It is Thursday. I'm watching sino nga ulit to? Kalimutan ko ba? I'm having my breakfast. I will have biscuits and then my coffee right there. I am marinating again chicken kasi magluluto ako again ng chicken adobo tonight kasi diba maraming natirang chicken kasi hindi nga dumating yung kapatid ni Dan. So maraming natira and gusto ko magluto ulit ng chicken adobo. So I'm marinating it. Naglagay lang ako ng soy sauce at saka garlic powder. Ginamit ko garlic powder kasi natamad ako na chop ng totoong garlic. Totoong garlic to, no? Pero you know, it's powder. Pero yeah, I'm gonna put this in the fridge. Hello! I'm getting ready. So, katapos ko lang maligo. Pupunta ako sa city. Yes, final na. Pupunta ako sa city. Ang lamig-lamig sa labas today. 13 degrees. My goodness. But that's okay. I'm wearing this owl jumper that I got from ericdress.com. And magsusuot ako ng... Can you see that? Yung black na yan, yung faux, what do you call that? Para ako magiging, ako nito, malaking agila. Malaking agila. Kasi siya, itim siya, tapos meron siyang parang mga feather. Hindi naman feather. You'll see later. Pagpasensyahan nyo muna yung aking buhok, magiging okay din yan mamaya. Naka-on na yung aking hair straightener. So, iinit na yan mamaya. Unahin ko muna yung aking makeup before yung buhok ko. This is going to be the second time I will be using this applicator. Yung unang beses is yung ginawa ko yung first impression review. So, ngayon yung vibrating. Ngayon yung pangalawang beses ko pa lang to siya. Wow. Done! Bongga talaga to. Mahal nga lang. mahal. Hindi ko alam kung ilang beses ko pa to pwedeng gamitin yung sponge niya kasi disposable siya. And look at that, it looks really dirty. Bakit ang dirty mo natingnan? Pangalawang beses pa lang kita nagamit. Medyo chuck up yung mukha ko kasi naglagay ako ng maraming powder. Hindi ko pa siya binlend. Binake ko siya. I'm baking it. By the way, gusto ko lang ipakita. Ito yung lagi kong ginagamit sa brows ko. A lot of you guys asked me kung anong shade. I do not know. Hindi ko alam. Kasi wala namang shade name na nakalagay dyan. Wala naman dyan. I'm pretty sure nasa ano siya, packaging siya, pero wala na sa akin yung packaging eh. I'm not sure if this will help you, but ganyan yung shade niya. Yung tatlong yan. Ito yung ginagamit ko lagi sa brows ko, itong lightest shade. I just wanna share, kasi ang daming nagtanong, and hindi ako makareply kasi hindi ko alam. I do not know. And yung ginagamit ko is yung brush lang niya. I-off ko kayo kasi malulubat na kayo. Paalis na ako. Yung bus ko, darating 10 minutes. Yung last time I checked, siguro 9 minutes na ngayon. Keys. I need keys. Okay. And then, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Wait. Magsasapatos muna akit. Suot ko tong, di ba sabi ko sa inyo kanina, parang agila. So, suot ko siya. I think I got this from, honestly, I think I got this from Dresslink or C Indirect. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Tapos, this is from Eric Dress. My jeans is from Lee. Yung my zipper, and then shoes is yung boots ko na may heels. And then the bag is yung from the Kardashian collection. Tapos, may lipstick. Medyo naging tsaka yung lipstick ko kasi kumain ako ng Pancit Canton. It's the ColourPop lipsticks in the shade Grunge. Tapos, my necklace. This is from Kim's Collections 2015 PH. Na iba na yung account niya kasi yung old account niya na-hack. I-leave ko yung link below as in sobrang bongga pa rin ng mga necklaces you guys. Hindi pa rin nagta-tarnish and sobrang tagal na sa akin ito. Okay, I'll go na. Bye. Baka maiwan ako ng bus ko. Guys, mag-isa lang ako sa bus. As in, ako lang talaga mag-isa. Pero sabi niya, marami pa na siya ipipick up mamaya. Kasi parang uwian na ata. Gusto ko ganito mga oras eh. Kasi ako lang mag-isa. Nakapag-vlog ako sa bus. Ito yung itsura ng bus na lang. Ang bongga naman ito eh. Ako lang mag-isa. Tapos kung gusto mo mag-stop, i-press mo lang yung red button. Nandun siya sa lahat ng poles. So may red button lahat. Meron na akong kasama. Dito ako sa Kmart. Nagpunta ako ng ayun, dito pala yung price. Ang cute na to. Nagpunta ako sa Target kanina kaya lang walang sale for kids. Cute na to. $15. Nakita ko kasi siya dito tapos walang price. Pero yun pala yun. Walang masyadong sale, you guys. Wale, labas na ako dito. Punta ako sa iba. Punta ako dito sa Harris scarf. Meron lang akong titingnan. Yung para kay, Danilo. Tinagalog. Nakasale yung halves. $14 na lang. Kaya lang, ito lang yung size ko. Or I'm not even sure kung kasya to sa akin. Kasi parang nag-iba yung size ng halves. Pero, from 30, it's only 14 right now. Tsaka lang ng color, yellow. Ito okay lang to. Wala, ito parang kasya to sa akin. Maliit siya tingnan. Wait, should I buy or should I buy? Nakasapatos kasi ako. Gusto ko siya i-try. Wait. You guys, ang cute na to. Pineapple. Lalagyan siya ng serviette. Yung napkins. Ang ganda! Ang cute! White at saka gold. Dito pa rin ako sa Harris scarf. Nakabili ako para kay Dan. Hindi ko ipapakita kasi surpresa ito. Para ito sa kanyang kaarawan. Binilhan ko siya ng yung pang-play ng plaka. Pang-play ng plaka, Tagalog. Kaya lang sinoli niya sa Target. Tapos na-refund yung pera ko. And bumili siya ng bago online. Actually, dumating na nga kanina baka mag-unboxing yun. Pero kailangan ko mag-isip ulit na kung ano. Dito ako sa Best for Less. Ata to, nakakita ko ng gloves. Bibilin ko to. Matagal ko na hinahanap yung ganitong gloves yung na-open ako, close mo yung fingers. So bibilhin ko siya. Kailangan ko din talaga bumili ng iba. Kasi hindi magkasya sa bag ko yung ni Dan. Yung binili ko kay Dan. Ayoko namang ma-expose. So, kailangan kong bumili ng iba para makaano na ako ng malaking bag. Para matago ko ng slight yung kanya. Ay, cute na to. Ito pang kids, pang 7. Itong pang 10 yung kasya sa akin. Cute. Wow, $7 na lang. Dito ako sa Reject Shop. Bibilhin ko yung binili ni Cathy last time. Ito. Hala, asan na yun? Ito, dalawa na lang natira. this. Ito ba yun? Tara, ito yun. Yeah, bibilhin ko tong dalawa. Oh my gosh, dalawa na lang natira. Buti na lang meron pa. Nihintay ko na si Dan. Nakaupo lang ako dito kasi maaga pa naman. Mga 10 minutes. Ano lang ako, magkakash lang ako ng Pokemon. Charot. Ano ba to? Bakit ayaw? Sabi nila marami daw Pokemon dito sa city. Kanina hindi ako nag-catch. Kasi, ano, nag-shopping ako. Charot. We will go to a record store. Again. Again. Oh, we can try your player tonight.
Can, definitely.
Yeah, you will do an unboxing video. From haul to unboxing. Next time, you will take over my channel.
Simply Daniel.
Simply Daniel. Simply Danilo. Danilo, that's your Filipino name.
It is, I'm Chris. G'day Vince, how are you?
Diyan kami pupunta. CDs and records. Ooh, hello. We're home. We have a flower. Look at it. Isa lang. Only one. Ah, that's so pretty. Sabi niya pwede ko daw kunin. Pero, maybe more flowers will bloom? Or just one?
I hope we get more.
Yeah.
This one's dying. I don't know why it's dying.
Because you're kicking it.
Yeah, but look at that one, nice and green, strong.
Yeah, that one is not
Dead.
dying. That one is strong.
A little bit live, better. So these bottom ones are...
I don't know.
no.
Maybe no mail. Oh well, that's his little garden. Meron na siyang flower. Oh, it's so cold. Yung kapitbahay namin maraming flowers. Oh, maliliit, white. Itasin ko kaya yung mga yan. Can I get those flowers, babe?
Of course you can.
No, it's not ours.
Just do it.
Nah, it's dying anyway. Look,
They won't
it's
last long
Shaka.
once you cut it.
Yeah. Your records, babe. I mean, record player.
Are we gonna haul that?
You unbox it.
Okay.
I'll film you. Yeah? I'll just take off my contacts. Yee! It's from Audio Technica. How much did you get it for, babe?
180.
190. It was 189. This is expensive.
It's not that.
That's expensive.
No, it's not.
It is. You should be talking since this is your unboxing.
I'm too excited to.
I'm excited for you as well.
Dun, 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 dun.
Pamparadang! Hindi pa talaga nagpalit.
What's that?
I said you're still in your work clothes.
I've got to watch the video on how to put it together.
Yeah. Ooh, hello! Char naman yung air supply na tumakbo si Dan. And nagluluto ako ng adobo. Malapit na yan maluto. Pagdating ni Dan, it should be ready. Alam, makaka-copyright ba ako nitong air supply? Stop na nga ako. Just finished having dinner. It was delicious. Yum. He rated my adobo what, babe? What's your rate?
9.25.
9.25. So he liked it more than the pork chops now. The pork chops is 9. The mushroom pork chop is 9. And then the adobo is 9.25. It was delicious though. Maybe because I was really hungry, but I ate a lot tonight. I again did not finish my food, but I was so close. Oh, by the way, the movie that I watched last night, it's good. It's really good, you guys. I cried a lot. Ako lang mag-isa nanood kasi hindi siya nanood. So I was on my lappy with my headphones. And then, meron din siyang ganap sa kanya, nood siya ng mga interview or whatever. And yeah, ako lang mag-isa, iyak ako dito para akong buang. I highly recommend you guys check that out if you're into that, like, chick flick, whatever. It's really good. Hello. I have the honey mask. Yung kapareho ng avocado, pero hindi. Basta from the same brand, pero honey. It actually has the, like, kind of honey smell. Can you smell my face, babe, and see if it's... Can you smell honey?
A little bit.
A little bit? Yeah. Anyway, I will close my vlog. Do you like my necklace?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it's from Kim's Collections 2015 PH. Hello, Kim. Hello daw, sabi ni Mr. Ben. But yeah, that's basically it for this vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to be good. Good night.